Open Facebook and go to your profile. In profile, scroll down, tap on photos. Under photos, select albums. In here, you'll find all your available albums. Now select the album that you want to contribute. Inside the album, tap this edit at the top right corner. In here, first of all, make sure to turn on add contributors option. And then tap on friends of contributors. And here, select your contributors privacy. You can select friends of contributors, or you can select contributors only contributors added to this album. So in my case, I'm selecting here friends of contributors, and then we have to tap on choose friends. Now select those accounts whom you want to make contributors of your selected Facebook album. Then tap on save, go back, tap on save, and this is how we can actually do it.